Okay, hey, this is Edwin Pineda and welcome in this another video training. So, we will continue yung dun sa ginagawa natin na cellphone repair na to, itong board na to, no? So, ang history nito is nag-short yung wire. So, as we check the circuit board, there is an open circuit which is yung resistor. Okay, so naka-order na ako ng resistor. I'll show you what should be the reading of a good resistor component. Okay, ito yung bad resistor natin, no? So nangyari, nag-short, nag-open circuit na siya. So I'm going to switch my digital multimeter again to this reading here, that is 200 ohms. So that is the resistance schematic symbol for resistor. Okay, so that is the value for the resistor. And so if using the color coding system ng resistor, this is brown, black, browns, and gold. So that this is equivalent to 100 ohms. Okay, yung gold, that is for plus or minus 5%. I think nakalimutan ko na, basta this is for para may allowance siya, no? Ang value nito is more or less 100 ohms dapat. So pero but nung tinest natin, when we test it, there is no value, no? So for the digital multimeter, 1 means that is there is a very high resistance across this electronic component. When we say resistance, mataas yung resist ng flow of current, so this is equivalent to open circuit, o yung resistor ay open na. We call it open. Now, let's go now to a good resistor. So, nakabili na tayo ng resistor. Okay? When you buy a new resistor, you should buy the same value. So, katulad nito, black, brown, black. So, this should be brown, black, brown, black, brown, and then gold. Okay. And also, yung wattage niya, makikita mo, almost the same sila, ng malaki siya ng konti. So, okay lang na mas lumaki yung wattage, wag lang mas lumiit. Yung pag lumalaki yung resistor, lumalaki, ibig sabihin, lumalaki yung value ng watts niya. So, what is more important now, dapat pareho sila ng value. So, ang value nito should be more or less 100 ohms. So, let us test this resistor. So, ang gagawin mo, you put the one probe of your multimeter to the other end, yung isang probe to the another leg. So there are two legs, so when we measure that, you will see that is equivalent to 97 ohms. Okay. Okay, so that is 96, 97, so almost 100 ohms. So this is a good resistor. Now, we can now put this to the circuit of our signboard, cellphone repair signboard, and then let's see if the signboard now will work. Okay. So, ang resistor, okay, another important information about resistor has no polarity, no? When we say it has no polarity, you can put it kahit anong direction, kahit pa ganyan, or you can reverse that, you can do that, and also you can reverse that. So there is no polarity. You can put it in kahit anong position, no? By that or by that position. That is what I mean, no polarity. Unlike other electronic component, let's say capacitor, no, there is a capacitor that has polarity. When you say it has polarity, you should put the component in the right direction, because there is a positive and negative side sa electronic circuit. So you should put that way, kung nasan ang positive, kung nasan ang negative ng uh, component, no? Mas madali sana to kung you will use the soldering pump. Now, kasi we are mobile technician, we don't use the soldering pump. So, gagawa natin ng paraan, no? Okay. Insert ko na siya, no? Okay. Okay. Alright. And then, lalagyan na natin ng solder. And then, we will use a wire cutter para to remove the excess legs. Okay. Okay. And now I will solder the AC plug na, the AC cable wire. So this is the AC cable wire. We'll connect it now to the PCB board. Okay. Be sure that you have soldered. Okay. it perfectly, no? Kailangan nakahinang siyang mabuti because you don't want it to loose and later on magdikit yan dalawang wire na yan. That is an AC wire directed to your outlet. Okay? Okay? Now let us test this circuit if it has no short circuit. So to do that, you set your digital multimeter to the diode. So this is the schematic diagram for the diode. Okay, and let's find out if there is any resistance or okay. So as you can see, it's there is the number 1 doesn't move. Sabihin walang current na dumadaloy between these two point. This is the AC line, walang current na dumadaan, meaning this is safe to plug sa outlet natin, no? So let us try now if we have successfully repaired this signboard, no? So para safe, okay, you can cover it again with the cardboard na kasama. Okay? Lagi mong iingatan sarili mo when you are working sa hindi porket electronics yan maliit lang yung kuryente niya, no? We are still working sa AC side, so mataas pa rin ang kuryente niya and you don't want to be na makuryente ka. Ayaw mo makuryente ka. Okay? Now, nilagay ko na yung cardboard. Let us test if this is we have successfully repaired this signboard. Okay? So, let's try. Yun. Magana na siya. So that's all for now in this video training. If you want to learn how to repair cell phone, okay, we have a course for that. And what else? If you want to make money doing software problems, we have also training for that. You can PM me or send a message or call me, okay, para we can talk about your training. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a great day, everyone. Bye. Once again, this is Edwin Pineda. Good night to all of you.